Here we have the 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD. And this is an off-road edition. Comes in silver sky metallic on black leather seats. And this one has that black leather due to it having the TRD premium off-road package. So you've got the leather trim seats, automatic climate control, JBL system, navigation. As you can see on that front end, you've got LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights. I'm going to zoom in on those 16-inch aluminum wheels. And then for the TRD off-road, let's take a look at those shocks. Yeah. Could definitely do some damage with this truck, if you so please. You've got passive keyless entry on the front two doors. And then you've got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Like I said, JBL sound. And then with your safety sense from Toyota, you can toggle your automatic headlights on and off, traction control, set your lights, and then your voltage coming out of your power outlet. And that driver's seat, like I said, it is leather, it is heated, and you've also got power with power lumbar support. You've got some mean step bars here. And there's your rear door panel there. So pretty ample seating for the rear seat, especially for this being the smallest truck that Toyota offers. And there's your bed liner. You've got a little mat in there as well on this one. And there's your passenger seat. I'm definitely a fan of the TRDs, but this one here is just beautiful. And it's got all the features you could want. And there's your leather trimmed steering wheel. Let's cut the AC down a little bit. You've got a navigation system here. There's your backup camera. And then you've got several other options. You've got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got to connect that with the USB. What else do we have here? And then you've also got AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. And down here for the climate controls, you've got a 3-stage heated seat on either the front driver or front passenger. Dual zone climate control. You could toggle your mirrors to heat them. And then your 4-wheel drive, adjust that. And there's your blind spot monitoring, control your parking sensors. And just with the push of a button or pulling back, you can control your sliding rear window. And I'll show that real quick. And there's your shifter. And this one's got that power sunroof. It's always nice to have that, especially on a beautiful day like this. There's just another look at your passenger seat. I really do like the upholstery in these. I really do. And there are your owner's manuals. Pretty deep glove box, so that's always good. Got a universal home remote, garage door transmitter. And then here you've got your gap adjust for your adaptive cruise control. And then your lane keep assist. And then there is your gauge cluster there. Push button start. I'm really liking how Toyota's trying to get push button start in basically everything. And there's your key fob. So next we're gonna go ahead and take this Tacoma TRD off-road out on the road for a test drive. So right out the gate, good acceleration. And for being an off-road vehicle, the ride is not bad at all. It's very controlled, very steady. It's not all over the place. And it takes potholes really well too, which I find very interesting. Yeah, good job Toyota with this ride. And I really like the braking feel in this Tacoma because, like in most Toyotas, it's just steady. Like how far you put it down in the beginning is gonna have an equal ratio to how hard it'll brake when you put your foot halfway down. Like all that stuff is, you know, it's relative to the driving experience for me, and that's just really good to have a brake pedal that doesn't have any surprises. And I really like these leather seats. They are very comfortable. And they kind of keep your back in a comfortable position as you go around corners. And I really like the engine sound. I don't know why, but I've always kind of had a thing for Tacoma engine sounds, even the older ones. It just, when you're driving one and you hear the engine, it just feels like a truck. Yeah, this is just a great ride. There's really nothing to say about it. I'm just kind of enjoying it for the moment. Like I said, it's a great day out. I kind of want to put this sunroof shade back. Yeah. And right as the sun's going down on a hot day, after a long day of work, this is the kind of truck you need right here. I haven't driven one of the 3.5 liter V6s, and I am very impressed with this engine. I've driven a 4 liter V6 Tacoma, but I really like this 3.5 liter. It's just it's a durable engine. The acceleration is good. It doesn't get too loud while I'm driving. So I'm impressed. And there's the adaptive cruise control adjusting the gap. I'm gonna bring it back a little bit. And as you can see, it will speed up to what you have the cruise set on to keep that distance that you're wanting. And now it's starting to slow down as I get closer. And I just wanted to test out that lane departure. So a nice loud beep if you start going out the lines. And that's my review of the 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road.